So we're going to switch things up this time, and instead of having a meat barbecue, we're going to make a seafood barbecue with some calamares a la plancha thrown in together in a salad with some mango. So join me next. Prepare a bed of fresh salad leaves like rocket and lettuce. Grab 2 long sweet peppers, pierce some holes in them, and oil them up before placing on the heat to roast. Slice an onion into strips and add to the salad leaves alongside some salad beans. Peel a fresh mango, slice into chunks, and add it to the bowl. Now, crush a garlic, rub over some fresh squid, and slice down the squid into half rings. Cover the squid in oil and paprika and cook on the barbecue. Remove the charred and cooked peppers and slice into strips for the salad. Remove the cooked squid from the barbecue and place it directly on the salad. Then slice a lime, squeeze on top, and finally, for a kick, slice some chili and sprinkle over everything. Y a comer se dice, bon appétit!